There's a video of the puppies playing on the porch. That's Miss Gold there on the bottom. That's Bowdie on the right and Mr. Dark Pink. And then they switched. And they're just kind of going round and round. Oh yeah? You want something, do you, Miss Gold? You better get off my house. Go on. Thank you. Well, there's the neighbor's dog, Betty Boxer. You can kind of see the puppies don't seem to have an issue playing with her. Puppy! Hi, Betty. How are you? No. Hi. Get off the house. What'd I tell you? Go on. Oh, hopefully you guys will be able to see this. I just wanted to see if I could get something to upload. It's kind of a dank, dreary day here. A lot of rain. Might clear up later. Puppies are just enjoying life, though. Well, yeah, you want something? You want something, Bowdie? You gonna paw her to death? Go on, Bowdie.